ଏ ଯେଉଁ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ କରିବାଟା କାରଣ ହେଉଛି ଆମର ଯେକୌଣସି ଭାଇ ହଉ ଭଉଣୀ ହଉ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
Keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn to still have fun. But I like having you around. Fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have